Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finna show y'all how to do a frontal wig install. Now this is actually a reinstall, so for y'all that be wanting to know how to install a used wig, here y'all go. So first things first, she was already braided down, y'all. Me and Lady keeping our braids in for forever. I ain't even sitting here and lie to y'all. Anyway, y'all know I'm not too good at the ball cap, but I'm finna show y'all how to do it. I just put a ball cap on as close to their skin color. If it don't perfectly match, I just put makeup on the top of it and call it a day. Now, one thing I do need to tell y'all, when y'all do add makeup on top of a ball cap, please spray some holding spray on top of the makeup so it will not interfere with your glue, because sometimes it will not hold longer if you have oily makeup. I use Ruby Kisses makeup. I forgot what shade I use for later, but she's kind of dark, so it's kind of one of the higher numbers. Anywho, this wig came from her. I'll be sure to link her site down below. And y'all just watch the install. So right here, all I'm doing is cleaning off her forehead with alcohol and a cotton ball. And what you see me doing is fitting the wig. Basically, I'm just seeing if I need to cut the ball cap back anymore. Like, y'all, it's really easy. If you need to cut it back, just cut back the little piece or whatever. The glue I'm using today is Boho Active, and lace tape right here is optional. I get it from the hair salon. Now I'll probably go ask me in the comments. Make sure when you're applying the glue, you put it in front of the tape. You cannot just glue the wig down on top of the tape or not stick. You have to glue it down their skin too. And also, y'all like a little biscuit back there, because I had on like a tweed screw-up shirt, so don't mind that. I just got fresh out of school and had to come straight to the shop and do hair, so don't even mind it. So this part right here is optional to y'all. Like, you can leave it on there, the extra lace, and like glue it down or whatever, glue the extra pieces down, or you can just cut it off like I did. Again, it's completely up to you. I usually just end up cutting them off and just recreating a whole new hairline, because to me it look better that way. But I can't tell y'all what to do with y'all wigs. So right here, all you see me doing is hot combing the hair over the back of the tracks or whatever. And I'm finna detangle the hair in the frontal part and braid it down. And y'all, like, it's really simple. It's easier for me to show y'all how to do it than for me to try to talk y'all through how to do it. Cause I know y'all don't be understanding me half time when I be talking, cause y'all love to say how my accent and all that. And a lot of y'all, when y'all be messaging me and commenting about how I talk and the stuff that I say, it's not like I be trying to say the stuff on purpose. Like, I can honestly talk normal, but where I'm from, that's just how I come out. Like, one day you'll hear me say one word a certain way, the next day you'll hear me say it differently. It's just where I'm from, where I grew up at. I come from Florida. I'm from the hood. I lived in the country. Like, it's all different. But I mean, y'all go learn to love me, because everybody love me. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. For the edges today, I am using Gorilla Snot. Yeah, I think that's what it was. I'm using Gorilla Snot. It's not really a detailed video on edges, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, because I just be trying to get the little videos out, because y'all be asking me when I'm gonna get them out. I'm trying. I didn't know I was gonna grow this fast. See, y'all be getting off topic. That's another reason why I hate doing voiceovers. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest of this video. I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, and if y'all want, the handle link will be in the bio. I love you guys, and I will see y'all for the next one.